magical day, my beautiful Spicy Life Global Real Estate family. Today's an amazing day because we're doing real estate, but we're doing surfing today. Yes, in the Spicy Life Real Estate experience, when you buy real estate, we connect you to the lifestyle as well and to the people. We're here with the surf instructor. Oh wait, a wave is coming. Okay, so we're here. You see, everything is fun. We're here with the surf instructor, Ezekiel, True Surf. If you guys are looking for the best surf lessons in the area, look for True Surf Surf School. Ezekiel, where we are in Dominicalito and why this is the best beginners intermediate surf beach in Costa Rica.
Yeah, this is I was gonna say one of the best, but no, this is the best.
The best is the best. We are the best.
Best place to learn how to surf in Costa Rica. Waves are nice, chill, very beginner friendly. Everyone can learn how to surf over here for sure.
This is the best experience. Stay tuned because remember, if you guys are looking to purchase property investment, give me a call, send us a message because we love real estate, but we add purpose to the real estate. This is who we are and this is why we create this company, and thank you for being part. We're growing super fast. We have all kind of things positive happening right now. Real estate investment, constructions, I mean, you name it, contact us now and stay with us if you like the Spicy Life. Pura vida, man.
Hey, we gotta go surf, bro.
Let's go surf, let's go. Larry, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, finally, yes,
Yeah.
and you're gonna have a great experience always, okay?
No doubt.
Hey, we are Spicy Life.
Spicy life, I love it, I love it.
And you are the best. We'll go and have fun. The waves are perfect, super safe. There's no riptides here, so you guys can just wander around too.
Be safe, so
Yeah, safe. Hey, hey, Larry, everything we do is safe.
All right, there you go.
Let's do it! Woohoo! Surfing, surfing, surfing! Spicy Life, love and positivity for the world.
Welcome guys to Dominicalito. My name is Salvador. We're gonna be 3 instructors with you today, Ezekiel, Junior, and me.
And me.
And Pepe, maybe he jumps in the water. Who knows? Yeah, we're gonna start asking what experience do you have with surfing, with the water? Did you try before? This is the first time? First time all? Second time? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we're beginners.
Okay, perfect. This is called Dominicalito Bay. This is a beach break for beginners. Okay, all the waves break super soft here. We don't have like big power waves, so it's perfect for learning. We got some indications for this special spot. We have some rocks in the beginning, okay, and then we have a full sandbank. Okay, so always we're gonna be careful when we reach the shore, when we go in and when we go outside. We need to be really careful and slow with that part, okay? Perfect. From the beginning, surfing doesn't require any previous experience from all the sports. It's different to all other sports. We have a big factor here that the ocean is always changing and always moving, okay? So we need to be always aware on what the ocean is doing. So we don't try to fight the waves, but we learn how to go with them, okay? Okay, perfect. In surfing, we have some stages. One, the most important that people consider is the pop-up, okay? How we're gonna stand up on the board, but also it's very important how to move the board in the water, okay? We're gonna see that later with a specific board, okay? So I can show you all the movements. For now, you can leave the flip-flops on the side, and we're gonna move a little bit. We're gonna start doing a warm-up, like a quick one. We start with the feet, going in circles, and with the wrists here. Yeah. To the chest.
Paddle, waves coming, okay,
3.
go.
Stay low, open more your legs.
Keep going.
Even further,
Wow,
yeah.
what a ride.
Good. Perfect, everybody looking for.
Perfect, and always, guys, always important to look where you're going. Hey, you guys want to be looking into the beach. Don't look down, don't look back, because where you're looking is where you're going, okay?
Exactly.
And you make like a point of reference outside, like a palm or somebody, and then you just go and go, woohoo.
So, vision and front arm. That's our leading parts, okay? So, my arm must be here in front of the board, so I can go forward, and my vision. So this is my position, okay? Perfect. We're gonna try to ride as far as you can. we don't want to reach all the way to the shore because we might fall on the rocks. So a little bit before, you can just drop off the board. That's an important part, how to fall, okay? One way, if I have control, I can just walk off the board, okay? And the board is gonna keep going forward. You're gonna have it attached to your foot, okay? That's one way. If I don't have control, I'm gonna fall, like suddenly, I would try to cover my head, okay? Very important not to hit the board with your head, okay? Because these boards are heavy and they can catch you, okay? So, and try always to never jump in front, okay? Always jump backwards.
And the more we fail, the stronger we stand up.
That's true.
Yeah. And another thing, there's infinite waves. So, you know, one wave and then another. There's gonna be waves to practice and try. So it's just having fun and enjoying.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Yes.
And the cord always take out like that. Don't want your cord in like this. So we get it tangled. Yeah, back to my case, right to the umbrella. Then I can carry the cord like this to the bottom out. It's easier. Or above this like that. Be careful, surfing is gonna you put it down carefully.
Remember, we love doing real estate and we love doing purpose for community, but the most important is the energy that we have that is making people happy and connecting people to the higher superior of peace and positivity for the world. Stay tuned because we have more and contact us to live the fine life experience. And we're like, woo! Okay, champion girl. Wow, huh? What a session, huh? Wow, huh? I'm feeling we have more muscle today. Yeah, and I was telling them, oh my God, yeah. they put you to workouts. In Dominicalito Bay, there's a spa right here. There's a yoga school. There's Airbnbs, cafe, coffee, everything. Yeah. Awesome. Check that out, no way. Nice lady days right here after a group session. Hola, buenas. Really good at it. I'm just telling you, you're gonna lose. Oh! That was quick. Okay, you ready? Beautiful day in Costa Rica, and we love to share our positive energy with our family, clients, and everybody around us, because we have those superpowers. We have understand how the energy works so we can create more positive energy. I know you guys might not understand, but it's okay. The most important is the work that we do behind the scenes, and we have a lot of it because we are the Spicy Life. Hola. Okay guys, watch out, slippery. De you.
Por favor.
Eso. Agárrese aquí que no, si no aparece ahí. Sí. No, hombre, a veces llega uno y se encuentra gente. ¡Ay! Ahí están ahí. Y es que como están resbalosos aquí. Eso, bendiciones. Beautiful day in the waterfall. Wow, it's packed. But we're gonna go take some jumps and enjoy the positive energy right here. Rope swing. Spicy Life, contact us, subscribe and comment because we are the best in the universe. Let's do it.